All right, today I have a Jeep Wagoneer, and I'm going to show you how to switch gears in this Jeep Wagoneer. I'm going to show you how to switch gears and or put the vehicle into gear. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm in the Jeep Wagoneer, and what I'm going to be doing is the vehicle is currently in park. All right, and the vehicle's on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my foot onto the brake, and then I'm going to look towards the side right here. Now there's a lot going on right here. There is PRNND. That stands for park, reverse, and neutral, and drive. And then there's also different drive modes, which I'm going to go over as well. And I'll go over them as well before I get to the how to get in park, reverse, and neutral. You have sand, snow, auto, and sport mode. And you can change this and it will allow you to get a better traction and drive during each one of these conditions: snow, sport, sand, and auto. All right, so let's go over here. How do you put it in to park, reverse, neutral, and drive? Well, the foot is on the brake, and I'm gonna just take this knob right here, and I'm just gonna, it's right now, it's in park, foot is on the brake, and I can move it to reverse. And I'll move it to reverse, the rear view camera comes on, right? The rear view camera comes on, and it is in reverse. And I'm gonna take my foot off the brake and press the accelerator. It will indeed go in reverse, and I don't want that. And then there is neutral, all right? So my foot is on the brake, but check this out. I can take my foot off the brake, but I don't do that because I'll go in reverse. So let me go ahead and put it into park, take my foot in the brake, and I should be able to go to neutral without my foot on the brake, okay? So let's see. It won't let me do that, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my foot back on the brake, and then I'm going to shift this, just turn this until I get to neutral. Now that I am in neutral, all right? And the next thing is going to drive, put it in drive. Now my foot is still on the brake, I'm in neutral, and I'm gonna go into drive right here. I just went into drive. Now, remember how I was like, I said I can take my foot off of the brake and it shifted to neutral? I can do that, but the vehicle will be going forward because I'm in drive, but I can always switch from drive to neutral without my foot being on the brake. And that's for an emergency cases, okay? So you want to read your owner's manual before you do that. So I'm going to do it briefly. And I shifted to neutral by taking my foot off the brake, and it worked. And so when I'm done, just make sure my foot is on the brake, and then I'm going to shift it all the way to park, okay? Just like that. The vehicle stopped, and I shifted over to park. And that's how you change gears, shift gears in a Jeep Wagoneer. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.